When I began to research about lemon balm, or its scientific name being Melissa officinalis, I found that there are several common names for it. But the older herbals generally refer to it as balm. The word balm is derived from the Latin balsamum, indicating the presence of the oils which provide a pleasing scent. It's quite entertaining to look at the old herbals, and though some of them may seem a little strange in their concoctions, often they're right on the money as far as their actual medicinal properties. In Culpepper's Complete Herbal, an English physician, he writes, "Balm is an herb of Jupiter, and under cancer, and strengthens nature much in all its actions. Let a syrup made of the juice of it and sugar be kept in every gentlewoman's house, to relieve the weak stomachs and sick bodies of their poor sickly neighbors. As also the herb kept dry in the house, that so with other convenient simples you may make it into an electuary with honey, according as the disease is. The Arabian physicians have extolled the virtues thereof to the skies, although the Greeks thought it not worth mentioning. Seraphio saith, it causes the mind and heart to become merry, and reviveth the heart, faintings and swoonings, especially of such who are overtaken in sleep, and driveth away all troublesome cares and thoughts out of the mind, arising from melancholy or black choler, which Avicen also confirmeth." I myself actually can't grow enough of this herb. I use it in my lemon pepper blend with several other herbs, but I also like to make a tincture of it. And so it's very easy just to grow and then hang up to dry. You can also use the fresh leaves, but I generally collect quite a bit of the dried material, and then I put it in a jar and cover it with a vodka, and I let it steep for several weeks. And that's as easy as it comes to make an infusion. I often drink it just as an infusion also. Again, it helps with depression and nervous exhaustion and indigestion, and also nausea. To use it externally, you can make an infusion, and it's very good for painful swellings. I hope you'll add this very easily grown herb to your own garden and try making an infusion or a tincture. I think you'll really appreciate this plant.